Hi guys, welcome to week 35. I am using our new iPad to record this, so hopefully it looks okay. I don't know, I've never used it for video before, so oh well, hopefully. I wanted to update, because I haven't updated for a while. We were on vacation for 2 weeks, and we came back, and then we went straight back to work this week, so it's been probably like 3 weeks since I've updated, so I apologize for that. But we're back and everything's good and we're happy to be home. So yeah, we spent 2 weeks in San Francisco, which is amazing and beautiful and everything. But I highly recommend not traveling when you are 8.5 months pregnant. It was exhausting. It was really hard on my body, and I didn't expect that. I didn't think it was going to be so hard, but just with the flying and nonstop going all day long every day, it was a lot. So it was really fun, but we're really happy to be home. I was having a lot of Braxton Hicks contractions and a lot of back pain and all that stuff while we were gone. So it was a lot. So I'm feeling pretty beat up still, and we've been home a week. So I went to the doctor Monday. We got back Saturday, so I went to the doctor on Monday, and it was a scheduled appointment already that they had scheduled because of the trip. They were saying, if you're going to go on this trip, let's see you right when you get back. So we went in, and I told them about all the contractions I was having, and she said, you're probably fine, but let's go ahead and check and make sure it didn't dilate you. And so she checked me, and she said it was maybe a fingertip, whatever that means, but that there was nothing to worry about, that it felt fine, so that was good news. And then she did want to do a non-stress test as well on baby Maya, because she wanted to make sure that the contractions weren't affecting her in a bad way. So we did like a 15 or 20 minute non-stress test where they hook you up to like a fetal heart rate, whatever, monitor, and then a contraction monitor as well. And then they just track your contractions while you're sitting there, and then they see how the baby's responding. So that was all good. She did a really good job. Maya did. Every contraction that I had, I think I had 2 or 3 while we were sitting there, and every time I had a contraction, she did exactly what she was supposed to do. I think their heart rate is supposed to go up or down, but it can't stay down. But they have to be able, like, if they're reacting to it, that's a good thing, as long as their heart rate comes right back up, or whatever, it goes back to what it was before pretty quickly after. So she did great. So that was good to have done, because I was feeling nervous after our trip that I had just pushed it way too hard. So I think I still did push it way too hard. I'm feeling the after effects, but I think that the baby is fine. So that was good. It's been a really tough week back at work, because like I've told you guys before, I'm a teacher, and so I'm really having to just take it easy and take it slow, and that's really hard with a bunch of kids. So I'm trying to sit most of the day. I'm trying to just really take it easy and do as much as I can from a chair. So that's good too. But I wish I could go on maternity leave now, but that's not going to happen. It just would take away from my time later with Maya, so I'm going to tough it out. What else? Other symptoms that I've been having, week 35. I'm almost week 36. Let's see, week 35, obviously the Braxton Hicks contractions, those had continued. Just in the last few days, I've been having really bad, like pubic, hi kitty, pain down in my pubic bone, kind of like her head has come down, and then she's like turning, and she's pinching all of the nerves that are right there, and it's really bad. I mean, it's like those sharp shooting pains that just go everywhere. And it's every time she moves, it's like a shot of pain. And I remember that with Bodhi, when I was pregnant with Bodhi, but that was at the very, very end of my pregnancy, so that did not make me feel so good. That was happening a lot last night, and I was in a lot of pain, so hopefully that doesn't mean anything. But today it feels a little bit better, so hopefully she's readjusted. So I'm having that. Lots of lower back pain, which is not surprising by any means. And then the backs of my legs hurt, kind of like pinched nerve type thing. So none of that is surprising or unexpected. So I really have not much to complain about except for that, for that pubic pain. That was not fun. Otherwise, everything feels very normal and good and exactly what it should be. So I am scheduled for a C-section on February 7th, which is like almost exactly 4 weeks away. Maybe even a little less than that now. So it's coming really fast, and I'm super anxious and excited. Just a couple weeks ago, I was thinking, I'm not ready, I don't want her to come yet, I want to have a little bit more time being pregnant and a little bit more time with Bodhi, and I'm done. I'm ready. So now it's just, I've gotten past all of that other stuff, and we're all ready for her to come. So let me see. I've had a little bit of swelling, but I'm so lucky with that. Like, I have had very little swelling, like on my feet and stuff. It just hasn't been that bad. I'm noticing it once in a while, like in my legs and ankles and feet, and then my face, but nothing too obvious and horrible. And then a little bit of heartburn once in a while, but again, not much to complain about, knock on wood. No stretch marks. I didn't get any with Bodhi either, so that must be a genetic thing, because I really have gotten lucky with that. My mom never had any either, so yeah, so that's good. And then the other thing I was talking to my husband about and my family about is that with Bodhi, I had the big linea nigra or whatever that line is on my stomach. I have none. I have nothing. I'm going to show you right now. I don't have it at all. I don't know if you guys can see it. I may be a little bit down here. But with him it was this dark, dark line, and it's really not there at all. And I don't know what the difference is. Like, why would I not have that? But this is what I look like at 35 weeks. 35 weeks, almost 36 weeks. She's poking straight out. Although last night I felt like she was like way down low. So let's see if I can get you a view from this side. That too. So that is my belly. What else did I want to tell you guys about? Oh, I was going to ask you guys if anybody out there has had a C-section, what tips do you have for packing my hospital bag? What should I bring? Things that might help me get through the recovery process. And at what point should I stop eating? They told me 12 hours, but my C-section is scheduled for 2 o'clock. So do I need to wake up in the middle of the night and eat, or what? So any C-section tips would be awesome. I'm trying to pump myself up for it. I was a little nervous, but I'm feeling better. I just need some tips. So if you guys have any, that would be awesome. And then last, I wanted to show you guys the stroller that my sister-in-law in San Francisco gave to me. It's her stroller. She's done having kids, and so she has passed it on to me, and it is a bugaboo. And I am so excited. I never thought I'd own a bugaboo stroller. So this is the stroller that she gave to us while we were out in San Francisco. And it's in amazing condition. She gave us all the attachments for it. So this is the, let's see if I can show you. This is the bassinet attachment. I also have the car seat. Let me turn it this way so you can see better. I also have the car seat attachment, so I can put her Graco car seat into the stroller. But there's the attachment down there. But it's in really good condition. And we're super excited about having it because that's a really nice stroller. So, yes, that's our latest item purchase, except it was free. So, yeah, so we're really excited about that. But otherwise, we're just trying to get everything ready. So, I will update again next week. I'm going to try and make sure I do every week because it's just going to keep changing really quick, and she's going to be here before we know it. So, I will be very good about my videos, I promise. I will keep you guys posted. So I hope you guys had a great holiday, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Bye, guys.